Okay, welcome back. Davidson's All Natural Gym. We got a few boards to put up today. This is my version of live edge board and bat, reverse live edge board and bat. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I did a little bit of looking online. There are a lot of people doing this, so it's not like my idea. It used to be my idea when I didn't research it and, didn't know anything about it. But now it's no longer my idea. There are plenty of people doing this to their sawmill sheds, plenty of people doing this to their sheds, plenty of people doing this. It's not just the traditional board and bat anymore. People are doing this a lot. So it's not like I came up with this idea. I just wanted to make sure everybody knows that I don't think I came up with this idea. I got a few pin oak flitches, pin oak slabs, pin oak live edge slabs, 7/8 inch to put up. I've got, how many feet do I got left here? I do have a couple I got to put over here, put over the top of that too, so I need a few more, but I'm gonna at least try and get this going. So I've got 9 feet. 9 feet left to go. I should be able to cover that with this. I figured 7 and 5, so I should be able to cover that 9 feet. Pretty easy with this. Goes at a slant up the top, so every board will be just a little bit shorter than the last board. I'm just gonna staple them up. I like using these staples. So I like using these staples on these green boards. Because I always figure a nail, if you put a nail in this, in your board and bat, when that board shrinks, moves, expands or contracts, that nail will stay in place, and so that board will rip out instead of the nail moving. So the nail won't move. But with these staples, they're thin enough, and I can put enough of them in that instead of moving the board and cracking the board, making the board crack, the board will actually move the staple. Just give it enough movement in there to allow it to not crack the board. So we're gonna try that. I think I got the air compressor on. I hope I got the air compressor on. Yeah, it sounds like it. And we got staples. So these are just 1.5 inch staples going through 7/8 inch board. So it's not like I'm really securing these. So I'm going to put up a lot of nails on this. Put in a lot of nails. Let's see how this goes. I'm also in this video, I'm going to try, I can't say it, but I'm going to try that little button at the bottom of the screen there that says, starts with an S, or the little button that starts with a L. I'm going to see if when I say like and subscribe, if that button twirls up and sparkles down there at the bottom. So that'll be the trial. Let me know if that worked. It's going to be interesting. It's a new YouTube thing where they make the button light up and twirl and subscribe. All right, I gotta work, bud. I gotta work. I know you want some attention, but I gotta work. I gotta work today. I know I can't just sit here and pet you. Although, that would be fun, huh? That would be fun, just sitting here and petting you, huh? That'd be fun? That'd be fun? All right, let's put up this first board, see how that goes. A little bit too windy. But there's no rhyme or reason to, other than I try to put this live edge so the skinny side's out and the fat side's to the back. Other than that, there's no rhyme or reason to this. If the top doesn't want to go in anymore and the bottom still has plenty of room, I'm not worried about it. It'll, oh, there's my mic hanging off. it will hopefully look even when I get done. Hopefully. I really need to move this scaffolding and get this one in right, but yep, gonna have to move that scaffolding and get that one secured in right. Okay, there's the north side completed, done, except for that one board sticking out. Yep, there you go, now you can see it. Zoom in on that. Okay, and that ought to keep us out of the rain, right?